Here we are at 32B Leeds Street, Dianella. Double car carport just here, tucked away at the end of the driveway. Very private location. Storage unit over there just behind the carport. Let's take a look inside. Living space, nice view down the driveway. Got an in-wall air conditioning unit just there. Through to the kitchen, you've got gas stovetop and an oven built in, exhaust fan, dishwasher, double sink with view to your backyard, pantry, and a big dining area, split cycle aircon on the wall there, and a gas bayonet in the corner. Large linen cupboard here. Through to the master bedroom. Got a ceiling fan and a very large built-in robe with mirror sliding doors. Your view is out to your courtyard, backyard area. Ensuite bathroom has a toilet and a shower. Good amount of space here. We've got a big laundry and a separate toilet. Bedroom number 2. Ceiling fan, fuse down the driveway, and a built-in robe. The second bathroom, separate bath and shower. Bedroom number 3 is here with a sliding mirror door, built-in robe, ceiling fan. Getting some nice sunset light coming through at the moment. So let's take advantage of that. Step out the back. See access down the side there. Outdoor tap. Garden beds running the rear of the property. Fold out clothesline. You've got a Bosch Wizard 10P hot water system, a second fold out clothesline, and then you've got access through to your storage room and carport as well. Very private location at the rear of this complex of 2 properties. You can see the front property here has put a door on the garage, so you could definitely transform your carport into a double car garage.